Welcome to City College Peterborough. I'm Ashley and the Vocational Tutor for Skills for Independence. In SFI you will increase your independence, build your confidence, learn life skills to help you in the future and work towards personal targets. In SFI you will cook, clean, wash and iron, garden, use the buses, do arts and crafts, work in teams, work on computers, learn about personal hygiene, develop your personal safety, take part in community activities, have weekly maths and English lessons, and much more. If you would like to join us, please complete an application form. The team here at City College Peterborough welcome you to embrace a new learning experience and we look forward to meeting you soon.